Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find General Management. Then let's go and tap on Reset option and scroll to find Reset All Settings. So this is the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it. And here we've got the information that your device will reset all settings except security, language, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So no worries, you will not lose any kind of personal content. So just tap on Reset Settings if you're ready. Confirm everything with your screen lock, and here we've got the information that you cannot recover previous settings, so you cannot undo this action, and to apply new settings your phone will be restarted. So just tap on Reset, and now we have to wait until our device will be fully restarted and the process will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.